Hello and welcome to Monday Review, the Times of India's weekly home update of print news from Chandigarh, Mohali and Panchkula is into its 43rd edition and I am your host Rajinder S. Nagakoti. COVID vaccination for the Tri-City residents above 60 and above 45 with comorbidities starts this week from March 1st. The third priority group is free to select its slots, venues and appointment schedules. Paid shots are also available at 31 private hospitals. Since the new Indian strain of virus transmits faster, PGI Director Professor Jagatram has asked all healthcare workers to get vaccinated.
There should be no hesitancy among the healthcare worker or other population for undergoing vaccination because it is safe. Among the 1 crore and almost 22 lakhs people who have undergone vaccination, there is no major complication, no death. There are only minor side effects.
Proving his fear right. 10 doctors, 3 paramedics and an OT technician at Government Medical College and Hospital Sector 32 tested positive for COVID-19, forcing the suspension of an OPD. Shimona covers report.
The doctors, 5 from the ENT, 4 from the anesthesia department, and a deputy medical superintendent were scheduled to take their second dose of the vaccine. The ENT head was reinfected after November. January's drop in cases made the public assume the pandemic was over. This laxity has now put the hospital wings, many walk-in visitors and employees into trouble. With the use of masks going down and mobility going up, the situation is only going to aggravate.
Let's hope we learn. Thanks, Shimona. Warnings of disciplinary action got the cops reporting for the vaccination, and unprepared hospitals now have to transfer them. Superintendent of Police Manoj Kumar Meena on the changed response.
Roughly around 1215 police personnel have been vaccinated till now out of 5975 eligible police employees. The taking of vaccine shot by senior officers, especially by DGP sir, on the first day itself has sent out a message in the force, and now we are seeing increased participation.
We look at the Tri-Cities COVID situation.
Drop your hesitancy because the results are out. The healthcare workers were reluctant to take a vaccine authorized for emergency use before the phase 3 trial result. The data is out and the trial is successful for immunogenicity and safety. Even as the schools try to enforce social distancing, the students mingle outside and aboard their packed buses, while parents seek online examinations. How the shot at target kept falling shorter and shorter. In the beginning stage, the city achieved 74% of its vaccination target. The inclusion of frontline workers from February 3 dropped it to 32.9%. The second dose lowered it to 20.4% till February 20. Only 8% cops were vaccinated in 15 odd sessions.
Prices make crisis. The petrol price at current speed will break the 90 mark in Chandigarh and the 100 mark in Mohali in the next 7 or 10 days. Watch the speedometer.
Fuel on fire. Frozen due to volatility in the international oil market, daily fuel price revision has restarted after market stabilization. Chandigarh's fuel cost has increased by Rs 19 or 28% in a year. Petrol is racing at 87, while diesel crossed Rs 80 for the first time. Mohali pays Rs 92 for petrol and Rs 83 for diesel, while Panchkula pays Rs 88 and Rs 81 respectively.
Barinderjit Singh Saluja records the public deflated spirits.
The rates have jumped 5 times in 3 months after remaining stagnant in October and November. Residents have only now started coming out on the roads to register their protest. Hundreds of home delivery boys are out after losing their earnings. Fuel gets costlier and costlier while their commission remains the same. The opposition in Punjab is pulling cars with chains.
Thanks, Barinder. You can't drive and you can't also drink. The prices of premium booze may go up to 15% when the excise policy comes out in March, and there won't be any monthly billing system to lessen the payment load of 2.47 lakh electricity consumers. Staff shortage and software switch cripple the shift from a bi-monthly cycle. But one good news for the commuters, as the last leg of the Kharad flyover is now open. Experience the change in time lapse.
Driving to Ludhiana or Ropar, it now takes only 6 minutes to pass the 1.6 kilometer Balongi-Kharad stretch to the Korali railway crossing. Earlier, it took 25 to 30 minutes on normal days and 45 minutes to an hour during log jams. The flyover's total length is 10.6 kilometers. The first phase at Balongi opened in October, the second phase at Desu Majra in November, and the third was ready in December. The project worth Rs 368 crore started in November 2015 and its first deadline was in December 2018. It's a vital link to Punjab and Himachal Pradesh from Chandigarh.
In Daddu Majra, the dumping ground fire raged on, and despite taking truckloads of sand over days, smoke screen made it difficult to approach this burning mountain of city's trash. The gas cloud covered half a dozen sectors, suffocating the ground zero villages of Daddu Majra and Dhanas the most. In other news, the swearing-in ceremony of new Chandigarh Congress President Subhash Chawla exposed the party's fault lines over the ticket distribution for the coming municipal elections. Only a fourth of those sent traffic challans at their postal addresses paid up in 2020. That is 18,000 of 76,000 violators. The SUV of a Chandigarh Police Assistant Sub-Inspector was stolen from the parking lot of police headquarters. Catch the Citizen reporters in action.
A broken bench in a park presents a grim reality of how infrastructure in some of the Chandigarh's green belts are in a shambles. TR Citizen reporter Shishu Paul throws light on the aspect, hoping to see some corrective measures soon. Colonel TBS Bedi highlights the lack of cleanliness in Cho, passing through a residential area in Mohali Phase 9. Milan Pawar captures traffic violation to point out how a section of youngsters plays with their lives every day. Girish Anand brings a spotlight on parking problem in Sector 17, where even roads and footpaths have been turned into parking lots. You can also send us pictures through CR app, which can be downloaded from Google Play or App Store.
That's all for this week. Send in your contributions. Keep reading Times of India. To get your copy, call us at this number 1800 121 0005. Stay safe. We leave you with the eventless, musicless Rose Festival in the rear view mirror.